This high-precision fingerprint reader offers unparalleled convenience with an accuracy rate of 98.6%, making it effortless to unlock your door with just a touch. With the ability to store up to 50 fingerprints locally, you and your family can enjoy the ease of unlocking your personal space. Say goodbye to fumbling with keys and welcome the seamless experience of unlocking your door with a simple touch of your iPhone or Apple Watch. The U100 also fully supports the Apple Home app, including guest access codes, making entry to your abode easier than ever before. Equipped with a matte keypad that allows access with Anti-peep Password, the U100 offers streamlined convenience with options such as permanent, periodic, and one-time passwords. Even if there is no internet connection, the one-time passwords generated locally will work seamlessly. Built on Zigbee protocol, the U100 is compatible with Matter * and other ecosystems like Google Home, Alexa, IFTTT, and more ***. It prioritizes security and complies with the same safety standard as BHMA Level 3, ensuring the safety of your data. Your sensitive information such as fingerprints are stored locally and protected by end-to-end encryption. The U100 features a built-in gyroscope for lock status detection and auto-locking without requiring any action. Overall, the U100 offers unmatched convenience and security for unlocking your door with its biometric technology. With its compatibility with various ecosystems and compliance with safety standards, it is the key to a smart home living experience that provides ease of use and peace of mind. Feature and benefit. The Smart Lock U100 is a highly convenient and secure option for ensuring easy access to your home. It features multiple unlocking options, including a fingerprint reader for up to 50 fingerprints, remotely configurable passwords, one-time local passwords for visitors, and a mechanical key for emergency use. The lock can also be unlocked with the Apple Home keys by simply tapping an iPhone or Apple Watch. Additionally, it offers compatibility with third-party ecosystems like Google Home, Alexa, IFTTT, and Aqara Home app. The device comes with an auto-lock feature, where the built-in gyroscope locks it after you close it. Also, the Do Not Disturb mode can mute the door lock sounds within a specific period of time. The lock body is made of zinc alloy and has an IP65 rating. Finally, it has long battery life of up to 8 months and a USB-C port for emergency charging.
Overall, I highly recommend this product to anyone who need it. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've included a link in the description box below. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give me a like on this video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.